Hey ladies, in this video we're going to be talking about how to change Ulta delivery address or Ulta Beauty's delivery address. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? To change your delivery address at Ulta, you must act before the order processes, usually within a short window via your account on the Ulta application right over here, and then heading into your addresses and adding that. If you've already ordered and you want to change your address, then there's no way just to do that. All you need to do is simply cancel the order by clicking on the purchases tab right over here, and then canceling and reordering it by changing your address. If that is too much hassle for you, you can try contacting the services or the customer service. So simply go ahead and click on chat with a specialist, and then you can start telling them your problem. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.